Alright, the first thing you're going to need is a flat screwdriver. You want to make sure your screwdriver has a really flat tip because you don't want to damage anything around this little bezel right here. Now, a good point is go right between here. Now, this part right here is soft. So, again, be very careful with this. So, you want to put the screwdriver right between there. Put your screwdriver in between. Twist it, and then you just want to take the screwdriver and just pull out. Get that again. Okay, it comes off, and here's the 3 clips I was telling you about, and that's to put this back. That's all you have to do is just push it back in. All right, now what I want you guys to do is get you a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is remove 2 Phillips screws. One right here and one right here. Now, removing them is based pretty much on whatever your preference is. You can either use a short Phillips screwdriver, and the bit tip, the tip of it, you're going to be using a number 2. In case you're using a bit or a screwdriver, you make sure it's number 2. And you can go right here and delete it, and remove it. You can get a regular screwdriver, and you might have to turn the steering wheel a little bit just to get access to it like that. Or you can use a long screwdriver, and that way you can go through the steering wheel and reach both of them just like that. So I'm going to use a long one, and we're going to go in there. Take that one out. If it don't come out all the way, that's good, as long as it's loose. But let's see if we can get this one out right here. No, of course not. Of course not. Don't want to work that way. Okay, there's the screw. Now let's get the top one out. Alright, for this part, what you're going to need is a small, short, flat screwdriver. Now, the only thing that's holding in that ignition switch now is these 2 little clips on both sides. So what you're going to do is, now it's set inside there. Let me bring this out here away from the dashboard, from the steering wheel. Now what you're going to do is stick the screwdriver in there, and you're going to take one, and you're going to pry that in, pop the switch out a little bit, and then go to the bottom one and push that one in and completely remove the ignition switch. But do not pull it out all the way, because you guys are going to have a ribbon attached to it. Let me show you what the heck a ribbon is. Alright, so what we're going to do is go up here. We're going to take our switch first, pick it up a little bit, and move it over towards the left. Get you enough clearance as possible. Now, I don't know if you can see inside there. You can actually see the clips. So you're going to go put the screwdriver in there, twist it, bring it out a little bit, and then reach over there to the bottom one and pop that out just like that. Bring it out. There's the ribbon that I was talking to you about. It's a wiring harness, but it's made like a ribbon. Do not pull that all the way. Whoops. Let me get my light. All right, got my light back here. Now I'm gonna twist it to the side so you guys can see it. Oh, let me twist it back actually. You gotta see this tab right there. That tab, you're gonna squeeze in. And then there's the same one on the other side. So you're gonna take your hand and you're gonna squeeze both of them in at the same time and pick up on that harness. Bam, just like that. Grab your new one. Put the ribbon. Line up. Make sure you line that up perfectly before you push that in, because you will damage those pins if you don't. So let's get this back out here.
Could have made it a little longer.
They could have. All right, I'm at an angle here, so I want to make sure I go at an angle. If you feel any resistance, take it back out. I'm going to see if I can twist this a little bit. You know what? Heck with it. Go out like this. Plug it in like that. is now in. Make sure it's locked into place. And to push it back in, that's what you do. Put it in. Snap it back into place. Get your Phillips screws. And let's put our Phillips screws back in. Alright, both of them is connected. Let's get our little cover back in there. You got 2 clips on this side, 1 over here. The 2 over here lines right up with that. Yeah, I do. I was just showing them this. I'm going to turn it like this. Don't be interrupting me when I'm videotaping. Don't be interrupting me. Alright, let's put it in there. Snap it right into place. And you're done. Let's take out. There is no programming required, so don't let nobody scare you. Put the key in. Start your car up. Job done. Alright, take care.